Hi, Dennis Ray here. You have PDF documents to view, edit, or create. You don't have to install software on your computer. There is an online site, PDFescape, where you can easily work with PDF documents for free. And it has all the features you would ever need for most of your viewing, editing, or creating needs. This is an introduction to free PDFescape online. This is the PDFescape website, and I'll put a link for this in the description below. You can use this for free, and you don't have to register to use it, or you can register, and by registering you can save files online to your account, share documents with others, try premium features. Now, what is PDFescape? Well, if you go down here, I'll tell you a little bit about it. It's a free PDF reader, editor, form filler, form designer, annotator. You have webmaster tools with it. No downloads are required, and it does not leave any watermarks. And there is a, like it mentions, premium software that you can get for Windows, but that comes with a price, and it tells you the different features that the premium and the ultimate software have versus the free version, and the pricing of each of those. But the free version has plenty of features that you'd probably need. Now, for my examples, I'm going to use unregistered for free, but you get a little note here that's saying that if you use it unregistered, you can't save your form online, and you can save your form to your computer, and that's the only way you can access it. So I'll hit that, and I get this page. So on this page, I can create a new PDF document, upload a PDF document from my computer, load a PDF document from the internet, or load a PDF document previously opened. Well, I can't do that since I'm using this unregistered. So I'm going to load a PDF document from my computer. So I'll hit that, choose file, show all files, load a document from everyone's favorite U.S. government agency, the IRS. You remember when you were a little kid and you would hold your breath to get your way? Well, I'll be childish and hold my breath until you like and subscribe. So, did you like and subscribe yet? Well, thank you if you did. Well, now I gotta go lay down. Now on this page I have a number of different options and tools I can use. There's a upload, load URL, load a recent PDF, share this PDF, and view. I can fit 50% view, 100%, 200%. Select a PDF text tool, hand scroll tool, view document information, view document security, and view preferences. And there aren't many to choose from, but there are a few. Then on the left-hand side, there's some insert tools you can use. Text, whiteout, image, freehand, link, form field, line, arrow, rectangle, circle, check mark. A nice selection there. And an annotate tab, you have sticky note, highlight, insert, strikeout, underline, triangle, and oval. Page, move, delete, rotate left, rotate right, append, crop, desk view, restore all. Yeah. And then below that, view page thumbnails, view bookmarks, save document, save and download, print, hide form field, and link highlights. And then I can view the different pages. And then you can do your work in here. Does a nice job. Then after I've done everything I want to do to my document, I can go ahead and save it and download. Yeah, it's a really nice online tool to use rather than have software on your computer. That was an introduction to PDFescape. There are 2 excellent videos of how to use PDFescape. See the description below for links. Also, if you need to merge or split PDF documents, I did a video about PDFSAM, which has those and more functions. See the link in the description below too. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Take care.